Classical cryptography, monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic substitution. Vigenère Cipher. Summary. In this chapter, we discussed that communication partners need to agree beforehand on the correct use of the key. The Vigenère cipher is a polyalphabetic substitution cipher, which means that one plaintext letter is substituted by several different ciphertext letters and vice versa. In contrast to the Caesar cipher, the frequency analysis can no longer be applied. But the repeated use of the keyword allows attacks. Using the Vigenère square, which is a tabula recta, can be very helpful. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.